Our blueprint for whatever it is that we want is in life is to come back and discover who we are, to be who we are. It's essential. It is critical. And today I want to sow some seeds that you will now take and somebody will plant and God will bring the increase and you will start to see yourself as God has ordained for you to be. So important. And you will start loving yourself and knowing that it's not wrong. And especially as women of a particular culture or cultures, it's like it is wrong to actually have self-love. We've got to put everything first. We've got to put the children first, the husband first, the cleaning first, the cooking first, the parents first, the church first. Everything comes. And if we have any ounce of anything left, then we give it to ourselves. We've got it all backwards. We've got it all wrong. We've got it all wrong. It's backwards. Fill yourself so you can give to all of the different roles and responsibilities that God has graciously given to you. But He's given them to you, not for you to be burnt out, not for you to be depleted, but for you to know how to fill your cup back up and know that it's not going to come from any outside source. It's coming from inside of you. Everything is from inside of you.